Ramen has been a staple in Japanese cuisine since as early as the 17th century. Rich in culture, meaning, and ritual, this is ramen. There are many traditional broths used for ramen. Today we will make tonkatsu, meaning pork broth, specifically pig's feet. Today we are making pork belly in the traditional Japanese method of slow braising. Braising pork belly can take up to 4 hours to achieve the right texture. While a bowl of ramen can take up to 48 hours to make, ironically it was created for workers with a short amount of time for lunch, which is why it was acceptable to slurp your noodles in order to cool them down and eat faster. Ramen is typically made with a lot of fat, wheat, and oil, and is associated with the hearty food for laborers during hard times. The history of ramen as the lifeblood of Japanese workers still lives on today through the cheap, delicious, meat-filled bowls of ramen throughout Japan. Adding a little bit of kansui makes the noodles chewy and gives them a more traditional yellow color. Noodles in ramen have been perfectly designed to have just enough of a bite to hold up to the soup without losing the tender, rich, quality taste of a noodle. Some regions of Japan use thin noodles, such as Tokyo, while other, even colder regions tend to use thicker noodles in their broth. Either way, it is delicious, not really nutritious, and by far my favorite part of a bowl of ramen. Ramen is more than just a bowl of soup. It represents a history, a melding of cultures, and the very essence of life. Food in Japan and Asia as a whole is treated with more respect than in America. To me, food is ritual. It is what sustains us in the common link that connects the world. Food is community, food is love, and food is life.
To me, food is the bomb.com.
Food is wholesome and comforting.
It's nourishment and memories.
Is necessary.
Survival, and also guilt.
To me, food is nourishment.
Family, traditions, and just something good to eat.
To me, food is fuel.
To me, food is home.
To me, food is family.
To me, food is survival. To me, food is community and like peace.